Welcome back to Me and Halo, where beauty meets secrets you've never heard before. If flawless lips that last all day sound like magic, stay tuned, because today's episode is about to change your lipstick game forever. In our previous episode, we cracked the code on different eye shapes and revealed the perfect mascara for every eye type. If you missed it, it's a must-watch. But today, it's all about lips. Ever wondered why some lipsticks fade within an hour while others stay flawless through coffee, meals, and even bad weather? Get ready to uncover the secret to long-lasting, smudge-proof, waterproof lipsticks that actually work. Comment below, what's your biggest lipstick struggle? Cracking, fading, or transferring? I'd love to know. But before I reveal the lipstick hacks you'll wish you knew sooner, let's talk about something most people ignore, your lip shape. Today, we'll break down lip styles like thin lips, full lips, uneven lips, and downturned lips, and I'll guide you on which lipstick type, finish, and shades complement them best. Step 1. Know your lip shape. Look in the mirror. Are your lips naturally thin, full, or do they have uneven edges? Step 2. Lipstick tricks for perfection. Thin lips. Use lighter shades, glossy finish, overline softly for volume. Full lips. Matte or satin finishes look stunning. Avoid too much gloss that can exaggerate fullness. Uneven lips. Use a lip liner closer to your natural lip color to create symmetry. Downturned lips. Apply more product on the center and lift the outer corners slightly with concealer for a subtle smile effect. Bonus tip: always blot and layer your lipstick to improve longevity. Setting with a little translucent powder works wonders for matte looks. Some budget-friendly and long-lasting lipstick recommendations. Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink, perfect for all lip shapes, stays all day. Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte, great for workwear and daily use. And NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, lightweight and budget-friendly. Sugar Smudge Me Not, high pigment, water-resistant. Remember, nude shades for natural looks, bold reds for fuller lips, and berry tones flatter almost everyone. And guess what's coming next? In the next episode, we're unlocking the world of eyeshadows, from choosing the right shades for your eye color to easy blending hacks for beginners. You don't want to miss it. Lipstick is not just about color, it's about confidence, expression, and finding what suits you. Experiment, have fun, and let your lips do the talking. If this episode helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your beauty-obsessed friends. Your perfect lipstick moment is just a trick away, and Me and Halo is here to guide you. And remember, it's called lipstick for a reason. Don't go wearing it under your eyes like Nagarjuna did in Manamadhadu. Know your product, know your style, and let Me and Halo help you get it right every time. See you in the next video.